I am Cliff with HK Truck Center, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to operate a tuck-away liftgate. Want to turn the truck on. There's your liftgate on and off switch. You want to flip that up into the on position. There's your liftgate up-down control switch. You want to pull the liftgate down a bit. Grab the handle, flip it out. Grab the safety handle, flip it out. You can bring it all the way down to the floor. Raise it up to the bed of the truck. Okay. Once you're finished, you want to lower it down. Fold the outer part back in. Fold the liftgate back up. And the last part, you want to turn the switch, the on-off switch, into the off position once you're finished. That's it.